Welcome back to Channel V8X, where American muscle meets pure power. If you love speed, luxury, and legendary performance, make sure you're subscribed to Channel V8X, because today we're bringing you something truly brutal. Meet the 2026 Dodge Charger Hellcat HEMI in stunning white, a car that doesn't just arrive, it dominates. From the very first glance, this Charger makes a statement. The aggressive front view hits hard with its wide stance, bold grille, and razor-sharp LED headlights. This isn't just design, this is intimidation on wheels. The white paint amplifies every muscle line, making the front end look clean, expensive, and dangerously powerful. Now move to the side view, and the story gets even better. The long, sculpted body, wide tires, and performance wheels give this Hellcat a low, planted look. It screams American muscle, but with modern luxury baked into every inch. This angle shows just how balanced power and elegance can be in one machine. At the back view, the Hellcat shows its true attitude. The full-width LED tail lights glow with menace, while the quad exhaust tips and aggressive diffuser remind you this car was built to perform. From behind, it looks fast even when standing still. Step inside, and the dashboard view completely changes the mood. Premium materials, carbon fiber accents, a fully digital instrument cluster, and ambient lighting surround the driver. This isn't just a cockpit, it's a command center. Dodge has blended muscle heritage with modern luxury perfectly here. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, the engine view that every enthusiast waits for. The Supercharged HEMI engine is pure American engineering, built to deliver insane horsepower and instant throttle response. This is where raw power lives, and Dodge makes no apologies for it. Now imagine seeing this monster from above in a drone view. The wide body, aggressive proportions, and perfect symmetry make the Charger Hellcat look like a predator waiting to strike. From this angle, the design feels intentional, bold, and unmistakably premium. Take it to the road, and the highway shot is pure adrenaline. The Hellcat slicing through the highway, white paint glowing under the sun, background motion blur emphasizing speed. This is muscle car cinema at its finest. And when the sun goes down, the night shot turns this car into a luxury icon. City lights reflect off the glossy white finish, LEDs cut through the darkness, and the Charger looks expensive, powerful, and unstoppable. Now let's talk value. The 2026 Dodge Charger Hellcat HEMI is expected to start around the high $70,000 to low $80,000 range, depending on options. For this level of performance, luxury, and presence, that price delivers serious bang for the buck in the high-performance American muscle segment. This isn't just a car. It's a statement of power, confidence, and modern muscle culture. Closing, channel call. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Dodge Charger Hellcat HEMI, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for Channel V8X. This is Channel V8X, and we'll see you in the next one, where horsepower never sleeps.